forest. No, forest. It's a swamp, I think. This swamp is actually have a bit of a problem sometimes. Sometimes people have a tendency to take their red terrapins or yellow terrapins and they take them down to this place and they just let them out because they can't watch them anymore. There's a small swamp down here and people have a tendency to think that's a good thing, but it's really not, because if we have a rough winter where we get minus 10 degrees Celsius, that will actually kill those tortoises or turtles. Some of them might survive, but it won't be nice. There would be almost no food for them. They have to change how they live, how they survive. That's not so smart. Well, you see, there's a little pond down here. And a couple of years ago, we pulled out about almost 100 red terrapins from out here. They can actually survive in the winter. When we have a nice winter, like only a few degrees Celsius, then they can survive, but they can't survive either. And there's too many people who's actually walking around saying that that's okay, they can survive, but they can't really. And it's really sad, because the more people think this, the more it's okay to put out your tortoises or your turtles. And it's just not. If you have a turtle or a tortoise, you need to take care of them. Whoops, he's not gonna see that. That's a bit of a latch. Daddy sees it, but he doesn't. I'm just gonna hold him and pull him down there, because if he wants to go down and say hello to the lake, sorry for the inconvenience of the film. That's just how it is. But yeah, pull them down here and they will just be down here, and it's really sad. Especially when some veterinarian says it's okay, but my veterinarian wouldn't say it's okay. She's the best in the country. She's actually the best in Europe. Well, this is something he likes. Lake, pond, this is just amazing. Of course, me not following him, I have a bad feeling I'm gonna get a wet sock today. And I should really get some better equipment to do this with. As you can see, it's a little difficult following the tortoise. Because it might not look difficult, but it kind of is. Oh, it's down to the water. I'm actually wondering if the water is good for him, but it's fresh water. He's gonna keep on going, the little tortoise. Yeah, let's see if we can follow him around a little better. Oh, he's such a good little tortoise. I'll shut up now. I hear a rumbling of the beast. It's what me and my brother call the highway. You know, it's just a big dragon rumbling on the beach. Oh, there he is. Hey, buddy. Definitely going on gonna be a little cuddle bunny tonight. It always is when I take him out. Sticking around is very nice, just to be a little tortoise outside. I think after I started taking them outside often, they start enjoying it a lot more. Before, those cases were more like, shit, I'm going to the vet. Sorry for that. Poop, I'm going to the vet. We're gonna beep that out. See, I love my tortoises. The allergies I get from running around on here, it's insane. But I'll do it anyways. It's just like my brother's dogs. Can't really, oh, what's that? Is that my shoe? It's so beautiful with the sun. It's just streaming through that place. So now I gotta stand up